I'm going to demonstrate how to reassemble a 4-stroke throttle and housing. First thing you need to do is you need to put the tube onto the handlebar. The next thing we're going to do is connect the cables, and there is one cable goes one way. In this instance, the cable goes, you slide it into the cutout, rotate the throttle around, you bring the other one, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to slide it in, put her up together. The next thing is we're going to take the throttle housing, and there's two halves, and we're going to slide them all together. And then snap it together. We use the 2 Phillips head screws that come with this model. And what I like to do is I kind of bring the housing till I feel it hit the end of the handlebar, and then I back it up just a little bit so there's no friction on the end. I like to snug the bottom one up just a little bit, just to where it starts to pull the housing apart at the top. I rotate it into the position that I would like, and I usually always tighten the top one last. And the reason I do that is then it will pull the housing back together here that has created a gap. Make sure that it is snug so it doesn't twist, and then I take and pull the boot back onto the housing. And then the key, every time you disassemble or assemble a housing, you need to check the freeplay, and that is something that's a personal preference on how much. And in this instance, to me, that's a little bit too much freeplay. So what we will do on this model, the adjusters are right here. I'll adjust the freeplay until it's exactly where I'd like it. I make sure, the key is to make always sure that the throttle snaps back. A clean, crisp snap, and if not, then something is either binding. In most cases, it's either because the tube is pushed against to the end of the handlebar, or the housings are not fit together exactly. After I make sure that the freeplay is what I choose, I'll then tighten the jam on the cable. I will check it again, and we're good.